Hey there everyone, I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In the previous video, we used Spark SQL by creating temp view table. And in this video, we will be creating an actual table in Glue Data Catalog and using Spark SQL. So without any further delays, let's get started. Let me go to the console here and let's go to AWS Glue. So here if you see, we just have a default database here. Now let's write some Spark SQL code, and here let's actually create a database and let's call it stack. You can name it whatever you want. So let us use this database, use stack, and let's run it. Okay, once this is done, now let's create a table. I'll create a table manually here and let's call it employees. Let's select the database. I need to give the S3 path, so let's do the same. So select the S3 path where you have your CSV files, and the classification would be CSV and delimiter would be comma. Now let's add in column names. And actually have first name, initial, and last name. Let's click on next, and finish. Okay, so the table is now created and you can see the schema here. Now let's go back to our Jupyter notebook. Now let's try to show tables. Let's run this cell. You can see the database which we created and the table name is present here. So there's this, and you can also see the stem table that we had created, that is also present. Okay, now using this, let's try to use this particular table and see what is there inside this table. Spark SQL, let's select star from employees. I can also give the database name, so it will be bstack.employees, and let's run this cell. Okay, we forgot to specify show again, so let's try run this again. So you can see we have got all this rows here. You can write other queries as well. Let's say for example, find distinct last name. Okay, looks like we had missed out a particular column in our schema. So let's edit this table. Let's actually edit the schema. So let's add a column called prefix, which is a string, and the column be second column. Okay, now let's save it and let's try to run this again. Okay, here we have it. So now we got all the distinct last names. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.